Hi, welcome. In my earliest course, I will show you how to use Arpspoof to capture all the traffic to change the flow of our target machines 12 to 13, right? So you might have problems after you capture all the traffic. How are you going to analyze, the flow, the data that you received? So today I'm going to introduce to you a better program called Bettercap. This is the best program that you can use to do it as a Arpspoof to redirect all the flows of your target machines, and you are able to sniff all the data, and you are able to see all the data, the contents. You are also able to bypass HTTPS, and then you also able to do the DNS spoofing, and you also can inject the code in the loading page, and there are more things that you can do. Okay, so next I was going to show you how you are going to run the Bettercap.